Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to quickly create a playlist on YouTube so that you can share videos to a group of people. I use this for a subject that I teach, AP Art History. I'm the district lead for KDISD for AP Art History. I have 8 teachers on 6 campuses and online school who I supply information to and act as the district liaison for. One of the things that I've set up for them is a central location on Google. You can see here this is my AP Art History horizontal team, and I have a long list of folders full of information for them. One of them is YouTube links. So go to YouTube. If you do not have a channel on YouTube, you will need one, but you don't have to worry about creating one before you start. You can simply find a video that you would like to share, and once you have found it, you simply click on it. We will just choose this one for an example, and go to the bottom of the video, choose Save, and you can create a playlist, or as you can see, save it to one of the many playlists that you may already have or that I have here. So create a new playlist. This is AP Art History sample list. Create. At that point, if you did not have a channel, you would not be able to create the playlist. YouTube will prompt you to create the playlist, create a channel, excuse me, and then you can create the playlist. Of course, there are instructions on YouTube on how to do that. It's very simple. It will prompt you. So, back to where we are. We have created the playlist. So here we go back to our library menu on the left-hand side here and scroll down to playlists. You can see I now have 26. You can view them A through Z or recently added. Recently added. Go to view full playlist. You'll have all the information you need here. If you would like to change the name, you can do that now. I'm going to leave it the same. If you would like to add a description, you can do that as well. Now you need to share this, but before you share it, you've got to decide, is this public, private, or unlisted, which is what I'm going to choose, because you can share it to specific people with this link. You can, of course, as well choose any of these many options here, but I'm going to copy the link, go to my file that is already created, and paste the link. As you can see now, I have obviously already pre-created all of this for the people on my team. They have access, and you can test this link as well, which you should. Make sure that it actually works. Click, send you to the link, and it does work. Here we go. If you had additional videos here, you can add as many as you'd like. They will appear in the list over here. We can look at another of my playlists and show you that some have a few and some have many. View a full playlist will give you this dashboard, if you will, okay? Here's a list here to the right. You can click on any of these and take a look at them. And so can all of the people that you have shared the playlist